Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to download HSBC statement. Firstly, from the HSBC mobile app, open it and log in with your credentials. Tap on the account you want the statement for, then go to Statements, Documents, then choose the month of period you need. Tap Download PDF by default and you can save it directly on your phone. Or via the web, visit the HSBC online banking website and sign in. Select the account you want and then click Statements, View or Download e-statements. Choose the date range or statement period, then select Download and choose as a PDF or an Excel file or QBO for QuickBooks users. Just note that some regions only allow PDF downloads for official statements. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.